Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to make Lahori Chanas. This is also known as Kabli Chanas or Lahori Cholay. It is very famous throughout the world. All the people like this recipe. And today I am going to, let's start. I have 250 grams of boiled white grams, 1 big onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed spices or garam masala, 1 teaspoon of white cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chili, 3/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and half teaspoon of the turmeric powder. Let's start this. First of all, I put the oil into the pan. Now, put the onions and let it cook for some time. Cook it a little bit that onions become softer. I do not need to fry it to brown and golden brown, just to make them little bit softer. Please like my channel, watch my videos, share my videos with friends and family members and people around you. If you have any comment or any view in your mind, please write in the comment box. Please press the bell icon and keep in touch with me, that my new recipes will come to you for the first time as soon as I upload one. No, it's alright. I need this result on the onions. Now I put the garlic paste, now put the tomato paste, and I put the red chilies, turmeric, salt, very nice aroma is in the kitchen around. This is the real Lahori recipe. You really enjoy the recipe and the taste is amazing and very nice. Now it is eaten around the world. Everybody like to taste it, and when one you taste, you eat it again and again. Now I put some water. That the onions and other masala will be tender and mixed well. I put the lid on and cook it for 3 minutes on medium heat. Now let's check it. Wow, very nice aroma is here. Full of aroma. My kitchen is full of aroma. Now put the white cumins and mixed spices or say garam masalas. This masala will be ready in a couple of minutes. Now it is cooking well. Only a couple of minutes I cook it. Then put the boiled grams. You even can use canned grams to make this recipe. Very easy and simple, very tasty. Once you eat it daily basis. Here in Pakistan and India, people used to eat this on daily basis in the breakfast or in the lunch. Now it's ready, so I put the grains into the masala. Now I put some waters, a little bit of water, and now put the lid on it and let it cook for 2-3 minutes, and the dish was ready in a short. This is ready in a short time. You see, it is very easy, very tasty, very nice aroma, and very good dish. Only need to cook for 3 minutes, and this should be ready within 3 minutes. Now let's check it. Around 3 or 4 minutes it has been cooked, very nicely cooked. Now I put black peppers and it is ready. I put off the flame. Now this is ready. I garnish it with a red chili and with a green chili. You just try it. It's really very nice, very easy and very tasty dish. I do not use any packing masalas. I use all fresh masalas and every spices are fresh. I use here 12 spices or 12 ingredients in this. You must like it, you must try it. Please like my channel, subscribe my videos, like my videos, share my videos with friends and family, and subscribe my channel. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.